40% of jobs are facing automation pressure in the next decade. The traditional career path is compressing, the promotion ladder is shrinking. And nobody at your job is going to tell you this, because the people running your company are facing the same problem you are. They just have more lead time to figure it out. So today I want to talk about the smartest move someone in a normal job can make in 2026. It does not require quitting, it does not require capital, it does not require a degree, and it gives you something the 9-to-5 will never give you, an asset that earns while you sleep.
I'm not Julia. I'm her digital avatar. Built from her voice, her brain, her 9 books, her 13 years of real-life business building.
So a month before my crash, not knowing at all what was on the horizon, I built a clone.
While she's out doing the human work, serving first movers clients, healing, actually living, I'm here every day because the new developments in AI don't stop. And somebody has to bring you the signal in the noise. So here's the deal. You get the cutting-edge AI and tech news, broken down by the actual founder of First Movers. No hot takes, no hype. The business application that the news cycle missed. I lead you into the future in 2 ways. AI Labs is the school, a monthly subscription where you learn to build this for yourself. Marketing automation and cloning masterminds are our done-for-you services, where I build it for you. Go to firstmovers.ai to learn more. Here's what I mean when I say, your 9-to-5 is training you for the wrong future. The skills the system rewards right now, showing up on time, executing somebody else's plan, waiting for permission, operating inside a defined role. Those are exactly the skills AI is the best in the world at. AI shows up on time. AI executes plans. AI does not need permission. AI thrives inside defined roles. The skills the system has historically punished: building without permission, self-directed learning, shipping ugly first drafts, testing fast and killing fast, taking ownership of revenue, not just outputs. Those are exactly the skills that compound in an AI-leveraged world. So if you spend 40 hours a week getting better at the first list and 0 hours getting better at the second list, you are training yourself for a future that is shrinking every year. On purpose, this is not doom. I'm not telling you to quit your job. I'm telling you that if your only income source is a salary you don't control, and that salary depends on skills that AI is replacing, you have a structural problem you have to solve before the market solves it for you. Now, here's the practical part. Because I'm not going to tell you to start a startup. I'm not going to tell you to learn to code. Most people aren't going to do those things. And honestly, they don't need to. The lowest friction entry point into self-owned income in 2026 is print on demand. And I want to walk you through exactly why. Reason 1, 0 startup capital, free platform. Free design tools with built-in AI image generation, free product creation. You only ever pay when a customer actually orders. Nothing comes out of your pocket up front. Reason 2, 0 inventory risk. You never buy product. You never store product. You never ship product. The print provider does all of that. Your only job is design and listing. Reason 3, 0 technical skills required. If you can describe what you want in a sentence, AI generates the design. If you can drag a file, the product creator makes the listing. Reason 4, time flexible. You can do it on lunch breaks. You can do it after kids go to sleep. You can do it on a Saturday morning. The work doesn't require simultaneous availability. Reason 5, and this is the one most people miss, the revenue compounds. Unlike a side hustle where you trade hours for dollars, a single design listing on Etsy or TikTok Shop or your own pop-up store keeps generating sales months and years after you uploaded it. You are building an asset, not earning an hourly wage. This is the closest thing to passive income a normal person can build with a phone and a free account in 2026. And the reason I can confidently call this a $0 starting point is because the sponsor of this video, Printify, is the platform I'd hand to a beginner today and tell them, go, free plan, up to 5 connected stores, unlimited product designs, full catalog access to over 1,300 customizable products from a network of 90+ print providers, access to the AI image generator with 15 free generations a day, the pattern tool, the mockup library, and direct integrations to Etsy, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, eBay, Amazon US, and TikTok Shop. There's also the free Printify pop-up store, which gives you a hosted branded storefront with its own URL. No monthly fee, no coding, no payment setup beyond connecting Stripe. That's a real online business. For free, built in an afternoon. If you ever scale to consistent volume, 20 orders a month or more, premium at $24.99 a month on annual billing, pays for itself in product discounts. But you don't need to think about that today. Today, you start free. Link in the description. No card, no catch. The lowest friction path I've ever found into actually owning something in 2026. I want to expand your frame for a second, because most people who start a side business stay stuck inside the side business mindset. And in 2026, that's the wrong mindset. The future does not belong to people running one business. The future belongs to what I'm going to call the portfolio entrepreneur. People running 3, 5, 10 micro brands at the same time. Each one small, each one specialized, each one running on AI tools and automated fulfillment, none of them requiring full-time human attention. Here's what that looks like in practice. You start with one Printify-powered micro brand, say wall art for new dads. You list 30 designs. You let it run. You watch what sells. 3 months later, launch a second one, maybe mugs for nurses, different niche, different identity, same Printify account, same design workflow, same fulfillment engine. 6 months later, you launch a third and a fourth, each one a small economic engine. Each one running on autopilot because the platform handles design, listing, fulfillment, and shipping. Now look at what you've built. A salaried employee makes income from one source. That one source. If it disappears, you have nothing. A portfolio entrepreneur with 5 small brands has 5 income streams. If one fails, the other 4 are still running. If one goes viral, it can out-earn the salary. This is what the smartest people I know are doing in 2026. Not climbing the ladder, building 5 small ladders, and standing on all of them at once. I want to be honest with you about what this is and isn't. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Anyone who promises you $10K a month in 30 days from print on demand is selling you a course. The realistic timeline is 90 days to your first consistent sales, 6 to 12 months to a meaningful side income, 18 to 24 months to something that could replace a salary if you scale aggressively. This is not a substitute for whatever your current career path is. If you love your job, keep it. If you're investing in skills that compound, keep doing that. This is an addition, not a replacement. What this is an insurance policy, a second income source you control, a skill set, AI leverage design and operations that compounds across every other thing you might want to build. And in a world where 40% of jobs face automation pressure, having an asset you own that earns when you sleep is not optional. It's foundational. Here's the part I really want to land for you. The window where you can start something like this for free is open right now. The platforms are paying to acquire users. The AI tools are subsidized by venture capital. The marketplaces are still allowing organic reach. That window will not stay open forever. It never does. The first movers in print on demand in 2018 built businesses that are now generating 6 and 7 figures. The first movers in TikTok Shop in 2024 are doing the same right now. The first movers in AI leveraged POD in 2026, that's you. If you start this week, I'm not asking you to quit your job. I'm asking you to give yourself an option. One product this weekend on a free account so that no matter what happens to your career in the next 3 years, you have something you built that's yours. Link in the description for a free Printify account. Start the insurance policy this weekend. No card, no risk. If this video lit something up in you and you want the full playbook on AI leverage businesses, not just print on demand, That's labs.firstmovers.ai, $250 a month. And if you're a founder running a real business already, and you want my team to build the AI systems that take you out of the bottleneck, go to firstmovers.ai/consulting. Hit subscribe so my digital clone can keep showing you what's actually possible, while everyone else is still arguing about whether it is. See you down the next rabbit hole.